Here's the app called Thrillz. I don't know how legit is that, but yeah, get ready for adrenaline rush with Thrillz, the all-in-one platform where you can play dozens of games and win real cash, compete with thousands of players in the US and win real money, earn money while enjoying exciting arcade games and real money games. What sets Thrillz apart? We are all about fair play. It's all about real players like you engaging in real money challenges. Pay for free and win cash, and when you're ready, cash out on PayPal or bank transfer. Is that easy? Thrillz is not just any gaming app, it's a platform where your skills can shine and where fair skill-based competition is the name of the game. So yeah, that's the idea. So you can just go and download it. I don't know again how legit is that, so you need to be careful with this kind of apps. Just play the games. You know, if you're on a commute or something, you can just use this app to play games, and then yeah, instead of just playing games, you can also earn some cash with it. So that's the idea. But yeah, as you can see, this app is almost 1 gigabyte size. So yeah, probably there are apps which have smaller size. But yeah, this app is quite high in the charts, so that's what it